Hi YouTube, I'm still here. Another week has gone by. I'm glad you're still here too. But look at me. Look what quarantine is doing to my hair. When you don't have any place to go, you forget what you look like. So today, I'm gonna do a challenge to see if I can fix this before I go to work tomorrow without washing it. I don't wanna wash it because, as you may know, I work on a COVID floor, and why would I wash it before I go there and not after? So if it fails, I'm just gonna put it under a scrub cap anyway, so it doesn't make that much of a difference. But I just wanna see what I can do. Okay, without washing. Okay, so all right, that'll do it. Okay, so I'm gonna let it dry and see what it looks like when I'm done. I always look like a wet rat at first until I fluff it up. Then I'll put some argan butter on it. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I'm back. This is the wet rat look I was talking about. I have some argan oil butter. I'm gonna try to fix this up. Like I said, it doesn't really matter if it doesn't work out, but what else am I doing today? A little bit. And mush it in. Hold on. Okay, I also made a new dress while in quarantine. There's nothing else to do. And if your hair isn't working out, you just style it. And maybe no one will notice. So, I'm just gonna do that. Cheeks, do. I'm not a guru. Whoa, that's pink. I don't have anywhere to be. That's pink. Okay, this is as good as I can get it right now, but like I said, it doesn't matter. Did you notice? Look at all these gray hairs. Next week, I'm gonna henna my hair. If it comes in the mail on time, I'll have a henna video next week, because I have got to get rid of these grays. You know, they say to age gracefully, but I don't want to. So, I got auburn color this time, so we'll see. Hit subscribe so you don't miss me, because I'm gonna be here next week coloring my hair at home. Until then, stay away from people, keep your hands washed, and don't touch your face. Deal? Until then, mwah.